All right, so here we have a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. The complaint with the vehicle is that it only has fan speed in high position. So we're going to do a couple things here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to replace the blower motor. That's often what makes the blower resistor go bad, just higher resistance, more load. It looks like someone's already been here before. We're going to go ahead and put new butt connectors on here too, kind of clean up this, this wiring job here. So first we'll start off by removing the blower motor. All right, so here we have our new blower resistor we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. We just want to make sure that we are looking at the same part. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our new one in. All right, so here we have our new blower motor from Auto Parts Direct to You. We went ahead and inspected it. The only thing different was just this one connector for the wire holding. So we'll go ahead and install the blower motor now. All right, so this is a new connector here. We'll just go ahead and make new connections. Just seeing how well it's. We'll go ahead and. All right, so now that we have all of our connections, we'll go ahead and do our heat shrink. All right, so now we'll go ahead and we'll test the blower motor, make sure that it has all the fan speeds.